Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get music on your iPhone for free, so you can listen to your favorite tunes offline without having to pay for streaming services like Spotify or Apple Music. If you're looking for a way to enjoy music without any subscriptions, I've got you covered. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, so be sure to stick around until the end to see exactly how it's done. To get started, we're going to use two apps, both of which are free to download. First, go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type in Documents and look for the app called Documents, File Manager and Web. This app is really useful and reliable. So don't worry, it's not a scam. It's been downloaded by many users and has great reviews. Download and install it. It's about 170 megabytes, so it may take a minute or two to finish. Once it's installed, open the Documents app. You'll see some setup prompts, but you don't need to worry about most of them. Just tap Continue or Skip until you reach the main screen. You can choose Personal or any other option when prompted. This part is flexible. Then, make sure you choose Music and Video as the category you want to focus on, though you can explore other options later if you want to. After that, tap Continue. Now, once you've reached the main interface of the app, you're ready to start downloading music. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a browser icon. Tap on it to open the browser inside the app. From here, you can search for the music you want to download. To avoid any copyright issues, I recommend looking for royalty-free music. Websites like Pixabay offer music that's free to use, so you won't have to worry about anything being flagged. Just search for royalty-free music and you'll find tons of options. Once your download is complete, head back to the Documents app, and you'll see your song in the music folder you created. You can keep everything organized by making different folders for different playlists or genres. When you're ready to listen to your song, just tap on it, and it'll play directly in the app. If you'd prefer a more traditional music player interface, you can install a music player app for a more refined experience. Go back to the App Store and search for Music Player. You'll see a variety of options, but download the one that has a red icon. It's a simple, easy-to-use player. Once it's installed, open the app. You might notice that this app doesn't have the music you just downloaded. No worries, though. All you need to do is go back to the Documents app and find your song in the music folder. Tap on the three dots next to the song, and from the options, select Share, then choose Save to Files, and it'll give you the option to save your song in a specific folder. Now go to your Files app and you can create a new folder, name it Music, or even create playlists within it. Once you save your song there, open your newly downloaded music player app. Tap on the Import button and choose Files. Select your music folder, and your downloaded song will be available to listen to in the new app. You can now enjoy your music through the player app with a more user-friendly interface. To organize your music, you can create playlists directly within the app. Simply go to the Playlist section and hit Create Playlist. Give it a name and start adding your songs. You can browse your downloads to select songs and add them to your playlist. Once you've done that, you can enjoy your music just like you would with any other player. So there you have it. Now, you know how to download free music on your iPhone and listen to it offline. This method works great, especially for royalty-free tracks. But you can also use it for other music as long as you stay within copyright guidelines. The Documents app is a simple and free way to manage your music collection. But if you want a more polished music player experience, just import the files into your chosen music app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.